everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today, as promised, I told you I was going to continue to bring you more and more smoothie recipes. So if you're like me and you purchased this big baby here, I mean, this is like the big one. They do have a smaller container, but I go through this stuff quite often, and they had a sale on the bigger container, so I just went ahead and bought that. I think the other one might be 2 pounds, whereas this one's 3 pounds. But Quest is, I'd like to say, my favorite protein powder out there. I get asked that question a lot of different ones. I've had friends share with me their protein powders so that I can try different ones, and I keep going right back to the Quest because, again, this one is my favorite. So today I am, as you can tell from my title, I am going to make a creamsicle protein shake, and so good, like just so good. So just a couple of ingredients. So of course we have our star of our show, this Quest protein powder. We also have some Orange Crush sugar-free packets. I had to pick up another box because I ran out of these. So super quick, super easy, just calls for a couple of ingredients, and this one is going to come out to be 1 smart point. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments below, and let's go ahead and get this recipe started. So I have my NutriBullet. Love the NutriBullet. Not sponsored, just telling you which one that I prefer. If you've not seen my videos before for my shakes, I just went ahead, since all shakes call for 8 ounces of liquid, I just took a Sharpie marker, measured out 8 ounces, and put it here just to save me some time later. So here is my trick. Almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, you can use this or you can use the vanilla, whichever one you have on hand. And I do about 4 ounces of this because it is 0 smart points if you only use 4 ounces. And then I continue to fill it up the rest of the way with water. Ooh, just enough. All right, so that gives me 8 ounces of liquid. The next thing that I do is I dump in 1 of these packets of Orange Crush. In we go. And I keep my vanilla protein powder in a jar because it's too hard to keep it, this big thing here. I don't know what I did with my scoop. I don't see it in there. So we're just gonna grab a scoop. The reason why I was showing you is that's because if you don't want to keep the big thing on your counter, you can just put it in a jar and keep it out of the way. All right, so 1 scoop of the Quest vanilla protein powder. And the Quest is 1 smart point per scoop. So there we go. That's where your point's going to come from for this recipe. The next thing we're going to add in is some ice. So I just like to add in just a little bit of ice. That looks good. And you can use less ice if you don't want it as icy, but that's about the amount I use. We're gonna pop the top on and we're gonna give this a little whirl. So I will cut back after this part because it does get loud, and to me that just is super irritating. So give it a little shake here to make sure everything's mixed up. All right, so here we go. I'll be right back. Okay, and just like that, ooh, yummy goodness. All right, so I did have to add a couple more cubes of ice because it was not thick enough. So that, just judge it, open it, look at it, and see. But ready for this? Look at that. Creamy, yummy, delicious. I'm gonna pop some into my cup here. My arm's just gonna be in the way because I can't figure out a different angle to do this in without making a huge mess. Which, of course, I have a little bit on the rim there. Okay, so let's just make a mess and just go with it. All right, that's good. All right, so let me clean that up. I can't be showing off how pretty it is if my glass is all messy, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and add just a swoosh of the fat-free Ready Whip. Just, you know, to make it pretty. And that's it. So super quick, super easy. Another way that you can use up your vanilla protein powder and make this in your homes. I mean, it is so good. And it feels like you're having a treat. So if your family is enjoying some ice cream or some milkshakes, make up one of these and enjoy right along with them because of the fact that it is just so good. All right, so this is gonna be simple, quick, easy, short video. Make this. Let me know what you think. And with that said, have a great day and we will see you next video.